Come in. Goody.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I come from my wife. What do you mean?
Wife after I beat you up, so?
She's my wife. What do you
After I
mean?
beat you up, so?
She's my wife.
Yes, but that's my friend. I have to protect her.
Yeah, we're not gonna argue about it. Samantha.
Samantha, nothing.
Samantha.
Samantha, nothing.
Your husband is here. Your husband is here.
Samantha, if you leave and go back with this man, he's stupid.
Hello, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you.
Can you excuse
If
us?
you leave and go
Hello.
with him, you're
Excuse me.
stupid.
Hello. Can you excuse me, please? Thank you. I need to have a word with my wife.
Let me talk to you.
Okay. All right. And where you going with the bag? Where you going with the bag?
Is she your wife or my wife?
I was not speaking to you.